All right, today I have a wireless keyboard case that I'm going to be unboxing. It's going to allow me to turn my iPad into an ultra portable laptop. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. The information is on the back: magnetic detachable keyboard, adjustable viewing angles, fast Type-C charging port, functional shortcut keys, built-in pencil holder, and 360 full protection. A lot of things come with this. I'm not going to go all into it, but it has a built-in lithium polymer battery, which lasts about, standby time is longer than 60 days. Charging time takes about 2 to 3 hours, and about 72 hours of uninterrupted functioning time. Now I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Easy peasy, lemon. I guess I forgot the rest of it, but I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. And this one comes in a classic green. You can get other colors if you want. Comes in fancy packaging. I'm going to open this up right here, slide it out. And inside, magnetic closing right here. I'm going to put the iPad in there momentarily and show you how it works. Inside, there is a nice piece of foam. You can keep this for, I don't know what you would keep it for. And right here is the charging cable. Comes with a USB-C to USB-A connection. Right here for charging your keyboard. And when you get it, you should charge it completely before your first use, but for video purpose sake, I'm going to do something a little bit different and actually use it right away. So right here is the pad. I'm going to go ahead and pull this off. And in here, this is where the iPad will go. You can see that. I'll show you this really quickly. Right here is the hole for the camera. This is the hole for the camera right here. You see that? And that is where the camera goes. And just take a look at the keyboard briefly. You can see the keyboard. It shows you the hotkeys on the back of it. These are the shortcuts. It says touchpad, multi-gesture operation. So it shows you some shortcuts you can use with the pad. Be valuable to look at the bottom of it. I really enjoy how they have the instructions on it, so you won't lose it. You won't have to search for the instructions because they printed the instructions on the back. It talks about Bluetooth keyboard pairing. You slide the switch to turn it on. On the keyboard, let's find where the switch is. It is on the side. So right here on the side, there is a plug for the USB-C that you plug in to that right there. This is how you charge it. The USB-A, plug that in to the adapter that you have. But there is some juice on it, so I'm just going to go ahead and turn this on. So if you look right here, there is a switch. Pop that on right there. And you can see that there it is red. It blinked red. I believe that was, not sure exactly what it is. Let's see, I just turned it on. You see keyboard lit up. It's a nice blue color shining through. Have it turned on. There is this right here. I believe that's indicator of connected to the Bluetooth. I'm not going to actually set the Bluetooth up right now, but I'm going to put the iPad in the case and show you what it looks like. On the back, it says, turn the power switch on. Status indicate power will be on in 3 seconds. The light came on for 3 seconds and then it went off. Press the function control Bluetooth indicator to flash and enter for search mode. That's how you're entering for search mode. And I'll show you what keys those are. keys function. So it says to start the searching for the Bluetooth to your iPad, it says press the function plus the C for Bluetooth. So I believe that is function plus this. It says connect on there. So you press this and that, and it will go into search mode. I'll press it and I'll show you what lights up on there. It says open Bluetooth on the tablet and search the name of the Bluetooth keyboard, then click connect. Connect successfully, and the Bluetooth indicator turns off. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like. I will press the function and C, and you see once I do that, it starts blinking a blue light. Then you go into your settings on your iPad and you look for the keyboard and connect it, and that's how you connect it. But I'm gonna see if I can turn the search off. It does not, it's still searching for answers, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the keyboard down in here. So the keyboard slides down in here. I'm going to take the iPad and put it in place. So now I'm going to put my iPad directly in here. I'm going to, if you see on the back, there is a camera. I'll line it up with, see there's a square right there. Just place the iPad in there. And I like to put it in like that. Snaps into place, voila, just like that. Did you see that? And it is in place. So now I have this in here. And when you're ready to set it up, you just simply put this right here. And you can have it at different angles. So there's 3 notches right here. You can have it at that, you can have it at that, or that. And the keyboard magnetically adheres to the pad, the case. So just like that. All right, pretty cool. And we're done. And when you're done with the keyboard, I'm going to show you how it sits down. You fold this flat, and then you take the keyboard and you turn the keyboard off. And you place the keyboard right here. And you just close it like that. And then flip it just like that. And now you have your case for getting an iPad with a keyboard. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.